Hello guys, good morning everyone. Good morning everyone. Happy Monday guys. I hope your weekend was a wonderful weekend. Hello everyone. Hello. My weekend was nice. Thank you for asking. It was good. Spent my time with kids. Good morning guys. So absolutely in love with this drop on ES and NQ because NQ offers a move on weekly from external back to internal, back to external again this night. And looks like NQ slowly moving down to September low. Which is nice. So overall picture on high time frame still bearish. But London high on both ES and NQ looks nice today on the ES and NQ to be taken. So I already got one trade today. It wasn't on Q or ES. Yeah, I know you won't give away, guys. Don't worry, you will get email soon. It just takes time. Please wait. You're not going to get email. You are not. You are going to get email, guys. Don't worry. Just take your time. Be patient, guys. So I got one trade on silver. This one. I took this trade based on 20-minute sweep, based on hourly sweep, 20-minute sweep. So it offered order block. The trace to this very value gap, but I entered off order block, as you can see right here. Then we got a trace to this very value gap. Actually, I could add, but I traded with 1 mini. So my stop loss was right here, and target was basically conservative level. So I could aim for this liquidity, but I aimed for this body right here. So pretty much small wick right here, interesting candle with no wick right here. So I decided to aim for body of this candle. And yes, took this trade. Good trade. You know, I noticed like silver moves like NQ, right? Gold moves like ES, a bit faster than ES, but delivery something like this. You know, silver pretty much moving fast, in my opinion, like NQ, easier to make money than on gold, in my humble opinion. So we also got order block right here. Price took this order block and this internal sell side liquidity level, which was nice. Interesting week right here. So 20-minute sweep, retracement. I would say no ideas right now on yes on gold because I already got desired retracement down on silver. So would like to see SMT if it wants to, for example, pump right now. Would like to see like SMT. For this, I need to wait for the closure at least of 20-minute candle, but preferably hourly candle. Because for our chart, a little bit choppy in my opinion. Overall, looks like picture is bullish, but not enough information, for example, to continue dropping to this sell side, to this sell side, to this sell side. No, not enough yet. So we did trace to this very value gap. Since we got 20-minute sweep, we got retracement to this bullish very value gap. But with this move up, premium, order block, very value gap. So in my opinion, really, if it wants to drop, like, for example, it wants to drop, let's say, it must respect this fair value gap, not higher, but from this fair value gap. But to confirm, for example, if it wants to invalidate this bearish setup, we must see how this candle is going to close, at least on 20-minute chart or hourly right here, because we don't know if it's going to be sweep, for example, of this low. I don't know, because we need to wait for see the closure of this candle. And for our chart, look at this move right here, pretty much bullish right now. Yeah, interesting picture on here right now. We're trying to respect this daily fair value gap. Upper half of this fair value gap. Right? Like not entirely bullish right now on euro. But because we don't have change in the state of delivery, but for retracement up back to premium, because we got, for example, breaker block right here, right? How we would retrace to this level right now? Let's see. So not like extremely bullish right now, but also not extremely bearish. I don't have enough information, for example, to short daily or long daily chart. Let's switch on forward chart. Let's see what is going on there. So once again, daily fair value gap. We got a change in the state of delivery right here. Price never did. I'm sorry, guys. Price never did trace to this level yet. All it did is just retrace to this fair value gap. We have liquidity right here. Yeah, I would say it makes sense to wait for the closure, because if it wants to be sweep right here, actually it can be buy opportunity on a euro, on 15-minute chart, I believe. Yeah, projections level. So I can actually pull some projections right now from here to here. First in the deviation lines, obviously liquidity level for some magical reason. So we already got the trace from this range, a bit lower to the fair value gap. Yeah, if we can offer sweep at 10 a.m., we can get change in the state of delivery right here. Actually, it can be buy opportunity, in my opinion, to this first in the deviation. I will keep you updated with this because I don't know yet. Let me read comments right now. I already talked about gold. Which indicator is this one? It's free indicator. Right here. Free indicator, just change settings with colors if you don't like red color. I said I don't like this. You still in combine with Apex. What do you mean? Actually, I only trade Apex right now. I mean, I have top step, but 99% of my trades taken Apex accounts on my 20 funded accounts. What else? When you will get, I hope today or tomorrow. So I don't know. Maybe it was weekend. That's why you didn't receive this. Maybe that's why. So be patient. You will get this. So I just did analysis on euro. Obviously, you can use this on Forex. Obviously, you can use this on Forex. Hello, guys. Hello. Any other questions while we are waiting for market open? We still have 5 more minutes. Well, if we can, guys, I'm so sorry. If you can see opportunity, of course we are going to trade this. We are not going to miss any opportunities. I already got one trade today on silver. Just showed executions. My executions right here. It just one trade on silver before market open. And on gold, let's see how we can respect this 3-minute fair value gap. But as I said before, if it really wants to drop right now, we must respect this fair value gap. I don't want to see price higher. Only period that we must respect is this 3-minute fair value gap. So ideally, as said before, ideally, what we have equal loss right here. This is perfect scenario for me for gold. Like this. What do you think, guys? Oops. One. I'm in Q. This perfect scenario on gold. Let's see how it goes. I don't know. We will see. Once again, really, if it wants to drop, we must respect only these three values they can see so far. Talking about NQ and ES. So, preferably, what I want to see is continuation lower to September low. I'm happy we got external range liquidity right here, but I pull these projections on ES. Since it looks like, we got SMT right here between ES and NQ. It looks like accumulation, manipulation, distribution, Asia accumulation, London manipulation, New York distribution lower where. So I pulled these projections because we took this external range liquidity. So ideally, 2 standard deviation, which is right here. 55.34.50. That's right here. What I see. And at this point, we may take actually September low, maybe 2 standard deviation right here. But move down, then potential long opportunity from September low. Lower time frame market maker buy model to London high. That's the plan right now. How it goes, we will see. So don't want to predict something, Remember what I explained? Once we got 30-minute sweep, we can switch on 3-minute chart to find fair value gap or order block. Entry on 3-minute chart based on 30-minute sweep. Based on hourly sweep, 5-minute chart. Based on 4 sweep, 15-minute chart. Fair value gap or order block. Remember what I explained? So idea was right here. Like 30-minute sweep. Also we got hourly sweep. I saw like gold doesn't look amazing. I decided to trade on silver. Yes, took September low. Yes, absolutely. Took like 2 weeks ago. It's not SMT that we want to take. As to see, for example, to upside. This SMT doesn't make any sense. I'm not going to lie. I expect to see every single high time frame PDRA, bullish PDRA is going to be invalidated. Because September low must be taken. You don't remember? What? I spent entire session on this 2 weeks ago on Monday. You don't remember this? What? Look at this going in our favor. You remember that. Perfect. Market is open. Market is open. So look how amazing gold is moving right now. Okay, it was this delay. Happy I traded silver. Looks like silver is going to... Oh my god. My trade was like nothing comparing to this move. Well, not going to be disappointed because I made like 1K on that trade. Gold. Tell me it was amazing. Beautiful. Perfect. Amazing. Oh my god. Why it's so amazing? Why NQ and ES cannot be like this and gold, like gold and silver? Yeah. There is a code like almost $10 move, which is a lot. Let's see if it may continue going lower. I hope we are going to take this final TP, which is equal lows. If so, then it's going to be perfect Monday delivery. Monday delivery. What I see on ES and NQ right now, yes, kind of like stuck in consolidation, but on NQ, what I like is September low. I'm not going to lie, guys. Really like how silver and gold moves. And recently, my best trades in terms of profit and something like this was taken on silver for some magical reason. Yes, exactly. So moving to the September low, that's amazing, beautiful, perfect. What else can I add? Nothing, just go and take September low, break below this level, maybe enter the range between 2 and 2.5. Maybe. Nice sell-off. Look at this reaction from this 5-minute fair value gap. Interesting week right here. Absolutely solid reaction. We got order block right here. September low is about to be taken. Must be taken no matter what. It must be taken. Otherwise, it's a scam. And once again, we have a range between 2 and 2.5 based on this 15-minute like manipulation leg right here. Absolutely solid drop. What do you mean? That's literally September low. Right here. From September 3rd right here. It's September low. Just trust me. I like how it's slowly moving to the range between 2 and 2.5. Yeah, as I said before, in my humble opinion, every single bullish PDR in high time frame is going to be invalidated because clearly inside high time frame market maker sell model right now, both ES and NQ. Let me check 30-minute chart real quick. Yeah, not a perfect picture right here. We got 30-minute order block. We did not get this yet. We're about to get this. It can be sweep, but happy, guys, happy. I traded with silver today. Comparing ES right now, we got 30-minute sweep. What happened right? Like, okay, guys, live example, as you can see, we got 30-minute sweep, price it traced to this order block and fair value gap. Exactly same as I took, for example, on silver today. Fair value gap, order block. Exactly same picture on ES right now, 30-minute sweep. See what happened with this week? Fair value gap, order block retest. What else do we need? Absolutely nothing. Come on, we don't need anything like this one, and that's it. Yeah, not going to lie. When it drops like this, it's hard to enter. That's why I said like, we need to explore different markets. Was it hard to enter right here? No. Clearly, you should understand from what level we should drop and why this level should support our idea. What happens right here? Sweep, order block, fair value gap. We called this before this even happened. Because you must understand if you want to see lower, what we must support, what PDR we must hold. And what happens right here is that if we may hold this fair value gap, only at this point it will drop. Otherwise, no, it will not drop. Beautiful, right? And that's 13 points trade. See? Yeah, a bit disappointed with silver because that's crazy move. Guys, who took this trade on gold? Please tell me it was beautiful. Like, did you take this? To this equal lows? Absolutely classic market maker sell model. You did absolutely amazing. Agree with me? Even right here, for example, we got order block, retest at 9:30 AM, exactly as this. See? That's amazing. That's why sometimes, sometimes on Monday it's hard to trade in QNES. But I noticed like not sometimes, like always different instruments, for example, Euro, CL, gold, what else? Silver. On Monday moves like perfectly. Amazing. What we want to do right now, we are going to wait for silver bullet on ES and NQ. Maybe we'll get something. For some magical reason, every single day I have missed candle on NQ on 1 minute chart. Let me see. Are you serious? It must be first presented fair value gap. How? Guys, what's the high of this candle that I missed? Please tell me. I will highlight the first presented fair value gap. What's the high of candle at 9:22? Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Here we go. That's first presented. Long on YM. Okay. Oh, you took short on gold as well. Yeah, agree. It was amazing. Like, beautiful. Thank you. Flat candle as well. Oh, yeah, that's even better. This first presented fair value gap, like, should be taken soon. First presented FG. Okay. Oops. Okay, capital letters and capital letters. Okay. So I'm looking for the retracement back to first presented fair value gap. We already took September low. Waiting for the structure to confirm this potential continuation higher, because right now we don't have any. I mean, it just looks better just right now. So once we took September low, and ideally to see 2 standard deviation on ES, which is still lower, but not talking about this, I hope to get silver bullet for long, if it's not going to happen before 10. But preferable to see a silver bullet for long. Well, we have SMT with YM. You know, I don't really trust SMT with YM. Like, personally. Always strange for me. Oh my god. You know, because once again, I don't want to see ES slightly lower, not slightly lower. I need to see 5534.50, which is just in the deviation. Let me pull this to the right. I'm going to just extend this to the right, easier to see. Right. Make it smaller, something like this. So yeah. ES loves rounded numbers, and just in the deviation is right here. Just trying to be patient, so already got the trade today. Chart moving lower. What do you want to see? I mean, if you're just trying to catch short again, be careful with this. Because actually made a trade soon. I traded this if you just joined, guys. Silver. 1K trade. $1,000 trade. Amazing. Right here, we got 13 points trade. On euro, hard to say right now. Just at this specific moment, hard to say what silver wants to do. Not silver, euro right here wants to do. Looks a bit choppy actually on high time frames. Hard to say. I'm going to wait for 10 because once again, euro looks kind of tricky right now. No interest in this yet. Let's check CL. Kind of bullish forward chart right now. We got huge week. Price, let me delete this. Price trying to retrace. Already retraced to 50%. Would like to see some structure on low time frame or medium time frame. Don't have any yet. So yeah, no interest in CL right now. Don't pay attention, guys, if you just joined. For some reason, I don't have 922 candle on 1 minute chart. You want to see gold at Todis. What we have there? We have some liquidity. Okay, as I understand, you want to see lower back to 130 and then long. Let's see. You know, I prefer to look for conservative targets, and equal loss right here was conservative target. If it wants to go lower, let's see what we have. Well, we have untapped fair value gap. Well. Okay, we have measuring gap right here. Price actually can take this. Okay, agree with you about 130 level. Maybe slightly higher, but not a big deal. 1 hour fair value gap, yeah. 15-minute fair value gap right here, which was measuring gap, right? Yes. Actually, agree, can go lower. Not a lot, but may go lower. I just don't see setup for continuation. If you're just trying to enter the trade, be careful with this. EOS just stuck at 1.5. Well. A plus 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 plus. Yes, exactly. You need to wait for A plus 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 setup on gold. To enter the long. Yes, once again, on NQ, would like to, not NQ, like ES, looking at ES right now. Do I have projections? Actually, I do have projections on NQ right here, 2 and 2.5. We have forced deviation lower. As I said before, would like to see yes to 2 standard deviation, at least range between 2 and 2.5. Yeah, let's extend its projections because hard to see. All I see right now, not right now, on high time frame, we're inside market maker sell model. And yes, overall I'm bearish. But for today, if we trace back to first presented, probably break above New York midnight open, that will be amazing. Jokes, okay. Why I took projections right here? That's a great question, actually. So I saw we got SMT between ES and NQ right here. Since Asia was accumulation, London was manipulation, expect to get New York distribution down. So since we got break above accumulation right here, consolidation, I consider this as manipulation. This means manipulation like right here. We got SMT, which confirmed idea to continue going lower. That was the reason. Okay, guys, what we can see right now, ES just took 2 standard deviation. NQ trying to respect 2.5. This gap, I just don't have candle for some magical reason. I don't know why. What is going on? I don't know. So we just entered my key area on both yes and Q. Now the question, if it wants to offer. Oh, I don't want to do this. It happens every single day, so like it's okay for me. We have candle. Bottom of this fair value gap is high of that candle. Don't pay attention. I'm sorry, guys. No structure yet for continuation higher. Just trying to be patient. What time is this? Maybe makes sense to wait for 10. For silver bullet. Preferable to see silver bullet for long. Oh, I hope to get something. Mitigation block. Yes, it chase to this mitigation block. Continue going lower to standard deviation. Okay. Probably hard to say. It's mitigation block right here as well. Trying to be patient. So pretty sure price will shoot it chase to first present fair value gap on ES, not ES, and Q today. We got flat candle. Just imagine we have candle right here, flat candle. So looking to get the structure. What we have on 30 minutes. That's 30-minute candle. Yes. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. What about hourly chart? Just huge down close candles so far trying to form. Gold, what do you want to see? Oh yeah, we got this fair value gap. So right now we are going to wait for 5-minute order block. That's it. Or at least inversion. My analysis is perfect today on gold. Just amazing. Waiting for 5-minute structure. Any signs of smart money reversal, you know? To expect retracement? Nothing yet. I mean, from this 15-minute fair value gap, if you want to ask me, should I long? It's in your own risk. So I cannot find perfect structure for this yet. Not yet, for me. If you see here like A+ opportunity, then take it. So once again, since first present fair value gap, we never traded into this fair value gap. I expect to get price to this fair value gap soon. Maybe silver bullet, maybe before silver bullet, but I expect to get moved to this first presented. I hope to get moved to the first presented. Let's see how it goes. We got inversion right now. We got sweep right here. We got inversion right here. Yeah, let's see if we made it trace not to this gap, but we got once again first presented right here. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Should offer the structure to upside, I believe, soon. Guys, if it's hard to see for you where market is moving, you can just invert the chart. So for me, just hard to long, so I prefer to look for shorts. And we're about to get the structure on 1 minute chart right here. Market structure shift. Let's see how it goes. Maybe it will overbreak your block. But probably you will agree with me how chart looks obvious when it's like inverted. I don't know how it works, but it works for me like this. So if you got sweep, it's not market structure yet. It's not a market structure yet. Yes, exactly. We need to get 5 minutes setup on gold to consider the trade. So from what I can see right here, sorry guys, it's in Q, just invert chart. You need to press Alt I like this. It will invert it. I don't know how it works, but it is what it is. Just funny. So we don't have market structure shift yet. So let's be patient, guys. Let's be patient. Right now, we're stuck at the range between 2 and 2.5. Price did trace the range between 1 and 1.5. We did not really enter it fair value. Yeah, we did not enter fair value gap yet. If we can go higher, it will be amazing. Sweep, I mean, I need to get the closure. Closure. That's very important to get the closure above the high of candle that I highlighted right here. You're welcome. I cannot say like which time frame is best for you because I don't know. You need to like try to see what will work for you, what will not work for you, and then you will understand. Like I like 2 minute chart, 3 minute chart, 5 minute chart. Okay, hope to get long opportunity. Watching the trade right now. Prefer to look for long. At least to give it a try. It's in sync right now, you know, like not a big deal what you want to pick, right? Let me see how big risk. Let's see if we did trace to give it. Please don't go without me. Just immediately trace went down. What do you think about this? Hey, Nkyom. Don't be like this. Don't be like this. Wait. What are you doing? Where's my tears? How ridiculous is this? Absolutely ridiculous. Where's my retracement? Where's my retracement? Okay. See how ridiculous is this? I mean, Q, I understand everything. Like, it's Monday. Maybe you don't want to talk with with me today, but do you smell how ridiculous it is? Do you smell this? I want to see the retracement where I put my potential entry. 048, 050. This why. Is that because of you? Because you didn't call market makers to bring them to my entry point? See? You called? Doesn't look like this. Where is my 050 level? If you enter the trade, you did amazing job. Amazing job. Beautiful job. This trade was amazing. I hope it's going to the trade for me. 055, it will work for me. Something between 047 or 55 or 60 will work for me if we made a trade there. Not a big deal, you know? Exactly same. Like couple of points difference, who cares? I don't want to look for a short. If it made a trace right now, I will try. I will give it a try at least. Okay, guys, let's wait. Not going to put limit orders. Just will give it a try. A bit lower. What do you think about this? Just a bit lower. Please. At least other block. This other block. Just trying to go without me. Anyway. So I highlighted order block on 1 minute chart. You want to ask me if I'm disappointed? Yes, right now. We just traded into this first presented. Give me the tracement. Painful, but it is what it is. So well, not really disappointed, but yes, disappointed. Do you smell how ridiculous it is? Smell this? At least one smart person right here entered this perfect trade. Perfect trade. Who took this? Okay, waiting for another opportunity. Well, I'm not even disappointed. Like, perfect analysis anyway. Just one slightly lower to for the retracement. Not going to complain about this. It's not finished job. Look how ES was close to New York midnight open. Looking for the entry. For the first entry. We already took levels. As said, I would like to see reversal from 2 standard deviation. We got it, so cannot complain about this. Pretty much sure we got intermediate term low right here. Would like to see, like, we're trying to stay inside this fair value gap. I wanted to see entry from like between 047, 060. Never happened, so I wanted for wait for this retracement right here. I mean, I'm not going to be disappointed with this, but it's okay. Happens. Happens, so. Well, anyway, that was amazing delivery. So obvious, so beautiful. I hope it's going to be protected low over here. So price, I hope it's not going to break below this level. Trying to be focused right now. Is it 10? It's 10, yeah. So we just chase to this order block. Want to give it a try. Let's see. Okay, trying to give it a try. Give it a try. Sorry, guys. Let's see. Something like this. Once again, trying to give it a try. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Because, for example, let's say it wants to retrace from my initial entry opportunity. I'm totally fine with this. We'll try to re-enter again. You took my call out. What do you mean? Oh, your level or what? So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Watching yes to take New York midnight open. Maybe we will go to London high. I don't know. Maybe. I cannot see the future, but let's see. Let's see. Let's see how it goes. Yes, that's our slogan. Exactly. Looking for conservative target at these highs. Partial space, I prefer to take partial if I can take partial. If I can take partial, I will take it. If I can take this partial, I don't know. If I can take this, I will move at break-even. Because I have crystal ball. Actually, yes, I do have it, guys. It's heavy. If market maker is going to fail to take my partial level, which is ridiculous, that's extremely conservative level. I think we are not going to be friends anymore. Okay, 173.75. Okay. Probably you don't like that I did not put this at the right place. Okay. Okay, I move this at the right place. 173.75. If fails, scammers. It's a scam. Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you serious? I think if I should move right now, but preferably after partial. I don't like this rejection so far from this order block. I will try to move at break-even right now. If it wants to drop lower, maybe I will enter. Yes, that's smart. That's smart. Take partial. Hey, I'm here. Partial. A bit higher. Like, what's wrong with you? Extremely conservative. Anyway, that's free trade right now. I don't need to care about this anymore. Absolutely amazing entry. If partial is not going to be taken, market is a scam. Like, of course. But everything has happened, so smell how ridiculous it is right now. Thank you. That's not good behavior right now. Like, partial level was slightly higher. It was 5 points away. Actually, I understand why we're retracing right now. I didn't pay attention. Look at ES. ES just took New York midnight open. Maybe this retracement right now makes sense. Yes. Maybe it makes sense. But I see NQ failed to take New York midnight open. But look at this ejection from New York midnight open on ES. Maybe I can explain this ejection on NQ as well because of ES. But I'm not going to move my partials. I'm not going to take profit early because I have target, I have stop loss, and I'm going to follow my plan. My plan is clearly higher. Right now, inside first presented, I can see this, but I'm looking for conservative levels. Conservative level, and which is like extremely conservative level, is right here. And final target, let me delete this, New York midnight open, which is also liquidity level right here. If I'm wrong, then I'm going to be with zero profit today on this trade. If I'm right, I will be with profit today. That's pretty much it. Bring this back. But yes, actually I can explain this rejection based on ES chart because ES clearly took New York midnight open and we started ejecting from there. If break even, then well, it's okay. Happens. Good try. What else can I say? Good try. Scam alert. If it wants to drop right now, well, it's okay. Break even then. Break even. If it's going to my target, then market is not a scam. Probably. One second. I'm back. Oh, I was sorry guys, I didn't see this with one contract again. My fault. Why entered with one contract again? I was like I'm entered with two contracts. Thank you for letting me know. It could be good, bad mistake. I was in with one contract again. I will decide if I want to trade with 1 minute or 2 minutes. Woohoo. Woohoo. Trying to have some fun. It never did trace to my first entry that I want to enter. I entered the order block right here. The test of this order block entry. Break even, guys, on this trade. Happens. Okay, we will give it another try later, maybe. But look at this rejection from New York midnight open on ES. Beautiful. Beautiful. Break even right now. Good try. Good try. Yeah, good try. Not going to complain about this. What else do I want to see? What else? Actually, I would like to see higher still, but looks like it wants to offer deeper retracement. Going to wait. It was smart to move at break-even only because of ES, I would say, because ES offered strong rejection from New York Midnight Open. So, yeah, it was a smart idea. One more retest of this order block. Just trying to find what can happen next. What can happen next? Just tell me. Trying to understand. Yeah, waiting. Not going to complain about this. Market is scam today, probably. Oops. Let's see how it goes. So maybe it wants to trade slower right now, as we initially wanted. You would like a huge drop? What level you would like to see for this huge drop? Because I cannot see any good levels for drop. So right now, this acts as protected low right here. So guys, right now, I'm going to go back to my initial idea. So we got a breaker right here and for a while gap lower. How we can play with this? Let's see. So I know, guys, lots of drawings, but we'll see. Absolutely in love with reaction from New York Midnight Open right here. Beautiful. Do we have any? Either I'm blind. Guys, that's 20-minute charts right here and right here. We clearly have SMT. It's not 5 minutes, just regular order block. Guys, we clearly have SMT right now. SMT between ES and NQ right here and right here on 20-minute chart. Yep, I did not see this in real time, so probably that's why. I mean, it's break-even, so I don't need to complain about this, but it can be explanation of rejection, not only New York Midnight Open, but also this move down. We just got 3-minute order block right here. Look how we're trying to... I'm not entirely sure about entry because kind of interesting reaction right now from this 3-minute order block. Let me just calculate. We got equal highs right there, but let me calculate because kind of looks bearish in my humble opinion. It's not trade idea because I'm not in this trade. Just trying to see what can happen. Interesting. I'm not in yet. Just kind of like it. Kind of don't like it. But kind of like it. That's 1 minute short. Kind of feel like it's bearish right now. Or I'm blind, which is also possible. Typical. Yes. Unfortunately. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, I like this idea to short, honestly. I'm not going to lie about this. Like this, at least. If I don't want to like look for like new low, probably I would like to see look for a deep retracement down. Yeah. What do you see right now? Once again, we got SMT on the 30-minute chart between yes and Q on 15-minute chart as well. We're trying to dispute 15-minute fair value gap breaker block. It looks bearish. Come on. You know, I would like to see something like this. Right now, I'm not ready to ask for new low of the day, but we have liquidity right below 5-minute fair value gap and breaker block. Invert your chart. What can we see right now? I don't know. I'm not in trade, guys. I'm just like not entirely sure about this trade. Not going to lie. I would like to try this. Just not going to lie. Let's see how we're trying to dispute 50% of this OB right here. Just tell me. We did not reach 50% of this order block yet. Okay, guys, I will try if we will chase to 50%. I will try from 50%. We'll give it a try. That's the plan right now. Where's 50%? 103. Exactly 103 level. What do you think about this? As I said, we'll give it a try. 104. You would like to see 104 and drop? Looks nice to me. You put limit order. I'm not ready to pull limit order, to put limit order right here. But if you did trace, I will try. We'll give it a try. Just don't want to put limit order. One 103, not a big deal, I would say. Okay, did you never retrace to 104, 103? 103, my level right there. $95, okay. I don't want to put limit. Just like, don't want to put limit. 24 points. Why 24 points? Kind of would like to see the sell side liquidity taken. 900 level, psychological level. Okay, guys, my plan right now, if my retrace to 900, 906, yeah, 06 level, 09, 06 level, then I will ready to long. You long? Okay. I'm not going to end alone because you're long. I'm just trying to follow my idea. Let's see how it goes. Guys, if you don't mind, I will delete this for now, just trying to see what is going on. So yeah, right now I'm inside 5-minute free value gap, breaker block. Amazing, beautiful. What else? Should I, what do I want to see, like 06 level? Yes, I do want to see this level. Yes. Gold, what is going on gold? What do you want to see? What do you want to hear from me? You want to buy? Why? I mean, just trying to understand why you want to buy. Not because, like I said, we are going to respect 15-minute for a value gap. Reason behind this trade. Trying to respect 5-minute fair value gap and 5-minute breaker block. I'm going to switch on 1-minute chart right now. Because if we are going to break above 50%, obviously it's going to be invalidation of my idea. What else do we have? What else do we have? Projections, maybe. Let's see. That's it exactly. 50%. Interesting week right here. You know where is the problem? You know where is just one problem? See what happened right here? It was our initial entry, like where we want to enter, right? Right here. We want to enter right here, like so bad last time, and simply just retrace to this level, which is strange, I would say. Hello guys who just joined. We're right now at tricky position, like 5-minute unicorn right here, but want to see like 06 level right here first, then potential reversal. Feels like so tricky right now. Because I just realized that we retrace exactly to the level where I want to enter. Kind of of ridiculous. Maybe a little bit ridiculous. Look at ES. ES, like, interesting right here. Looks bullish still. Trying to be patient. No, I did not enter yet. Yeah, broke above. I'm going to invalidate. Happy I'm going to invalidate this. Looking for long again right now. Let's see. Don't want to jump between biases, you know, just it's always annoying. Yeah, it invalidated. Going to look for long right now. Happy it broke above this 50%. Good sign to me to look for long opportunity right now. Trying to enter the trade right now. Okay, enter the trade. Guys, I'm in this long again. Aiming for the exactly same levels as I aimed before. Exactly same idea. Exactly same idea as said before. Yeah, long with exactly same idea. Partial right here. Final at New York Midnight Open. Or market is a scam. No FOMO. Entered based on my initial analysis. Oh, I didn't show you guys. I'm sorry. I never have FOMO, you know, just trying to follow original plan. We displace above this high right here. Good sign to me. Good entry. Also, we got breaker right here. Price displays above this level. Back to my original analysis. You know what I want to see right here originally? I want to see a reaction from this level. Initially, my first long opportunity must be from this level initially. I want to see the tracement right here to this level. Never happened, but happened right here. I was like, okay, I'm going to wait for the break above 50% of order block that I highlighted before. And once we broke above this level, it was immediate invalidation of my short idea. So basically, once again, once price broke above 50% of this order block, immediate invalidation was in play. I was waiting for displace above. We displaced above and entered. That was idea. So right now I'm trying to aim for this high right here as partial level. And final target is going to be New York Midnight Open. I don't know if I may hit this. But once again, entry was based on invalidation of mean threshold of order block. As I said before, I'm going to invalidate this once we break above 50%. Do you probe this? Mm-hmm. Yes, not 3 minute, 1 minute. Right here. 103. Remember this level? It was mean threshold of this order block right here. From this high to this low. And once we broke above this level and displaced, I just put market order. So let's see. I'm going to respect stop loss at this point because I got invalidation of my idea. I'm going to respect this, like, just going to respect this. If I'm wrong, this means I'm wrong. I'm not going to, jump between biases or something like this. If I'm wrong, once again, I'm wrong. CL. Oh my God, look at CL. Crazy. Gold moving higher. Silver moving higher. What I can see right now, we got SMT between ES and NQ. But what I don't like, we still did not hit any levels on ES. Still trying to respect trust presented. Anyway, going to respect stop loss at this point. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. Looks like we got flat candle right here, right? Let's see. No FOMO, like, feel nothing right now. Completely, like, gambling today? What do you mean? Like, clearly a good analysis, at this point, at my side. I got invalidation of bearish bias. I entered long. How it's supposed to look like then? My invalidation was break above 50%. The reason why I entered was displacement above 50, with break above 50% of order block. That's it. Entered. Like this. We broke above 103. I said, okay. A small invalidation. Enter the trade. Trust your analysis, that's it. And we got equal highs right here. I don't know how much time it wants to play games right now, since we got like clearly equal highs. But we are going to wait. Don't trust my analysis because I can be easily wrong. Just don't trust my analysis. I can be wrong once again. But I got invalidation, I entered the trade. That's a great question. SMT or equal highs? I would say equal highs is liquidity level. SMT is just SMT. Like we got, for example, higher high, lower high. That's it. It's not really like liquidity level. I cannot say like it's equal, but equal high is more important. SMT for like up. I call this like optional confirmation. Yeah. Yeah. Going to stick to my plan, no matter what will happen. Wrongs and wrong. Already got one win, one break even, and right now another trade, like 3 trades today. Win was on silver, break even was long on NQ, and right now long again on NQ. With exactly the same plan, exactly the same analysis. I would say exactly the same entry as I got before. $168. 168 is equal highs. I would not say it's tricky, but I see like it makes sense to go higher. ES already took New York Midnight Open. We tested this 3 times. NQ never did that, which makes me feel like, yeah, we may do this New York Midnight Open. If not right now, then yes, probably later. But I feel like New York midnight open will be taken today all in Q, which is 199.75 level. I'm going to respect no matter what will happen. If loss, then, well, I'm not going to be red today overall. But it's part of the game. It's part of the game. It's just an OT right here. It will be funny, it will be funny to see if it wants to. I mean, I feel absolutely okay right now. No stress, feel nothing. Just trying to trust my analysis. Doing well, no matter what will happen. We'll respect stop loss. We'll respect my target. No matter what will happen. Yeah, let's see. It will be funny to see if price wants to break to 900 level. Just funny, nothing more. I don't really trade options. Not really. Yes, trying to stay bullish. That's all I see right now. Yes, looks strong and QLX looks weak right now. We just took this flat candle right here. How annoying is this? Please start moving. Just start doing something. It's not that hard. I still would like to keep the sell side liquidity on my chart. I already got invalidation, but still, it's sell side liquidity to me. Sell side liquidity, yeah. Just, guys, what I see right now, ES, look at ES. ES looks still bullish. We don't have any inversions. We have nothing right now. That's why I still don't want to, for example, close my trade before like stop loss or something like this, because ES doesn't tell me like just right now, this specific moment, it wants to like drop hard. We'll stay with my trade, no matter what will happen. I already got 3 trades today, like overall. That's my 3rd trade. Don't want to overtrade. Yeah. On 50, you know what I see on 15-minute chart right now? It's this 15-minute fair value gap. We're still inside this 15-minute fair value gap. But I don't want to change my mind yet. I'm not saying like I'm super confident right now with my trade, but I'm going to trust my analysis. My September low 830. I don't know why we have different levels. You're not first person who said that. I already said if market is not going to take this high rate here, market is a scam. So nothing changed. Nothing changed. So this order block became breaker block. We got reaction from this breaker block. Magnets, okay. Well, it will take time, guys. Here we go. To put them. So many games right now. My stop loss below order block. That's it. Order block right here, stop loss below this level. That's pretty much it. At valid place, in my opinion. Interesting, we got second SMT between ES and NQ at highs. What? Look at this. Another higher high on ES. Look how strong ES right now. And look how weak NQ right now. I literally don't understand what's the point to not take these equal highs. Can someone explain this to me? I'm just asking. Equal highs, in my opinion, looks like obvious draw right now. Obvious partial level, obvious everything. But instead, we're stuck in these games. We're stuck at the middle of nowhere. It's coming. I'm pretty confident with it. You know where is the problem? It's so annoying to wait. You're waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting again. I'm like, oh my god, what's wrong with you? Just do something. Okay, move my stop loss target at this equal highs, just in case I want to play games. But 168 is absolutely obvious level to be taken. That's why I said, like, I'm going to respect my stop loss because I see this trade as, in my opinion, as A+. I can be wrong, definitely, but I see this trade as A+ trade. Guys, any jokes? Tell me something. So we're just trying to have some fun while they're trying to play games around these equal highs. Can you please deliver us to equal highs? I'm not asking a lot, just equal highs, and we are free to go. Just do something. Be kind, please. Please, it's heavy, I know, but see, I'm trying to hold you, even if like you're so heavy right now. Just equal highs, please, please. Equal highs. Our market is a scam. You nervous? Come on, relax. It's a joke. Clearly a joke. I'm going to move my stop loss right now. Look how strong he is right now. And Q is definitely weak. No way. No way is it going to fail take equal highs. That's going to be the biggest scam in this world. Market makers, can you see my magnet? I can actually triple them if you just don't want to deliver us. I'm just trying to understand what you're trying to do. Can you see this as a bit ridiculous delivery right now? Equal highs higher, like do something. Yeah, kind of strange right now, not going to lie. But it is what it is, so we are going to respect no matter what will happen. If stop loss, then stop loss. If target, then target. It was like 5 points away from partial level. 5 points away. Oh my god. Anyway, I'm still confident we will take equal highs. I'm still confident we will take New York Midnight Open. If not right now, if it's going to stop me out first, well, I still confident we will take this later. And I will be ready to give it another try. No matter what. That's crazy. As I said, I'm not going to give up. I'm just annoyed right now that we are waiting for absolutely obvious liquidity level to be taken. Never say let's go when it did not hit level. Never ever. It's immediately going to reverse. Like immediately. Never ever say that. From my experience. What a joke. Come on. I want to move at break-even right now. Just don't want to be part of these games. But it's okay. Like I'm going to respect everything what will happen. Just take equal highs. Just take equal highs. A bit annoying already, no? Guys, that's because put magnets on your chart. It will be faster, from my experience as well. What is going on? Be be nice. Be nice to take equal highs. Then it's going to be free trade. Market makers. Equal highs. New York will not open preferably, but equal highs? Just trust me. It's not that hard to do. Easy to move us a bit higher. I'm asking for 20 points higher. What are you trying to do right now? Can you see this a bit strange price action? I told you never say, let's go, here we go, or something like this. Never, ever in your life. I already got winning trade today. I will be good at any point, even with a stop loss. Just you ask for too much. Oh my god, for too much. I'm asking for equal highs. Lots of magnets. It's like quick, immediate delivery must be quick delivery. Instead, what we have? What we have? Damn, come on! I'm trying to have some fun. Just in this trade for 30 minutes, waiting for magic to happen. And Q looks like I didn't want to say bad words on stream. Well, bad word. Honestly, I don't know. Clearly looks like high resistance liquidity conditions. I don't know what will happen. It left equal highs, but what can happen first? They can actually drop if it wants to be a high resistance liquidity to pump us later today. Which is once again also possible. So what can happen? It's they can actually drop to this level first. It's going to be crazy, but it's possible. Then once we finish this team, it's going to pump us to equal highs. Why? Because you called market makers just for me. Thank you so much. It's 11, finish the stream. It's going to go. No, we are going to sit right here and you're going to like wait for this, sit in this consolidation with me. So I don't want to be alone with this. It arrows. Exactly. If not right now, then it's biggest scam in this world. Biggest scam in this world. Free trade. Never listen to the chat. Told you. Eros power. Exactly. Oh my god. You can. It was not going to lie. It was crazy. Double in the chat because we already got partial. Next target is New York Midnight Open or market as a scam. One win, one break even, one win again. Amazing. Yes, going to London high right now. I hope so, at least. Time to move our arrows a bit higher. Where it's going to be break even, but who cares right now? No one cares about this anymore. Moving magnets to New York Midnight Open. Yeah, just took like 1 hour to deliver, so higher, a bit higher. Just a bit higher. Okay, my runner left to New York Midnight Open. No matter what will happen, we are on winning trade. Follow your plan. Stick to your plan, no matter what. Cannot move it like this. Yeah, here we go. Bye. Yes, still going to New York with London high. That's what I wanted to say. Magnets give us 101% win rate strategy, like 101%. Also, we have crystal ball. Also, we put arrows right here. Also, we said it's going to be scam. Come on, it gave us like guaranteed winning trade. Guaranteed winning trade. Okay, like right now, relax. Going to see what will happen. No matter what will happen, we are in win position. Even stop loss right now at the perfect place. I mean, break even at the perfect place right now. Free trade. Happy with analysis. Happy I follow my plan. Okay, while we are waiting, let's see what is going on. Not bad short right here of 20-minute sweep. What else? Not bad long from this 15-minute fair value gap confirmed by 5-minute structure. Pretty much the same. CL, like crazy move up. Crazy move up. Price broke above 50% of this 4 week. Continue going higher. SPX. SPX took the sell side liquidity level. Makes sense to retrace higher to fill this gap. At least 50%, you know? Like 50% of RTH gap. Open, close, open. Yeah, 50% is 13 points higher, 14 points higher on SPX. Yeah, overall on SPX, stuck at 25% of this RTH gap, but still don't mind to see 50% maybe later today. Maybe not right now, but maybe later today on SPX. Anyway. Look at this rejection from equal high so far. Oh, today, I cannot say it was like model, but idea was invalidation. So we got actually unicorn 5-minute chart. It was breaking fair value gap. But for some reason, initially I felt like we need to go lower to 900 level. But once I saw price invalidated mint threshold of 1-minute OB, I was like, if this place, I'm just going to enter. Like no matter what, stop loss is going to be a logical place. And once we displaced above mint threshold of bearish order block, it's immediate invalidation of bearish bias, short-term bearish bias. What this means, we'll go higher. This is what it means for me at least. So I entered the trade at displacement, put my stop loss below order block, which was formed right here. Was waiting for equal highs to be taken, and then I just left runner to New York midnight open, right here. That was analysis. That's pretty much it. Just, I would say sometimes logic helps me. I don't want to be pattern trader, you know, like I have like level, I would like to trade off this level. And yeah, nothing wrong with invalidation of bias or something like this. So if you see like invalidation of your level, this means you're going to enter opposite trade. This is how it works for everyone. And back on ES right now, ES slowly going to weekly open, new week opening gap, and London high. My analysis was on point with idea of break above level, invalidation. You know, this level was strong for me. If it wasn't strong for you, that's okay. I mean, I entered, and I explained why I entered the trade. Look at ES. I guess ES wants to take London high. Or at least New York midnight open. New York midnight open. Weekly open. I might actually close the trade at this high right here, which is not that far from New York midnight open. Just don't want to, like, you know, to be greedy. If it might take this high right here, I might actually close. And be done for today. Just it's time. London high looks absolutely amazing on both ES and Q without any questions. Oops. Perfect rejection from weekly open right now on ES was one tick away from London high. Yes, we will retrace back up to London high again on ES. The question when? Once again, if you want to keep your runner to London high, you can. I just don't want to do this. I just want to take conservative level, like base hit and be done for today. Base hit already like before market open, but it just like this one just for fun already. My base hit was with this trade on silver because I took this trade on silver before market open. Right now, just trying to wait for something to happen. After beautiful partial, it's win no matter what. So, amazing. Absolutely happy with analysis, with everything I did today. For Monday, that's great performance, for me at least. Yes, it was one tick away from near London high. Definitely makes me feel like we should retrace back up to this level. In Q failed to take New York midnight open, if not right now. Later today, just take my words and you will see. London high will be taken on ES. New York midnight open will be taken on NQ. Just question when, but today. Yeah, when we have some sort of high resistance liquidity, makes sense to look for conservative targets. Don't look for huge moves because you don't need this. Well, you need, if I remember correctly, like ICT said, you need like 10 points in Q. You already got with first trade 50 points, maybe even more, 60 points. I don't know. Do you need more? Not really. Okay, going to move my, going to just trail my stop loss to this high right here, high low right here. We already got 2-minute bearish inversion for a value gap just now. Going to just move this. 2-minute inversion presented right here. See this one. My alarm trying to tell me, Dasha, it's time to go. You did nice today, just time to go. Okay, we got this inversion. That's why I moved my stop loss slightly higher. Highly recommend to do this as well for you guys. We chased this order block, 2-minute inversion. So that's why we actually may respect this inversion, and that's totally fine. Let me be done for today. 2 wins, 1 break even. I don't have any problem with unrealized trade and drawdown because I don't have this anymore. Actually, we had news, but it wasn't important. Guys, today is the last day of Apex deal. If you want to get some, it's your chance. I trade 20 Apex accounts right now, funded accounts. I have zero problem with this, as well as I don't have any problem with payouts. Today is the last day to get perfect deal, amazing deal. If you want to get this, here's your chance. 80% off and 250K and 300K account for $33 only. I personally trade 50K accounts. I like it, but you can get bigger size if you want to have bigger drawdown. Still trying to respect 2-minute inversion. Nothing happened. Yeah, I passed my 20 accounts for a couple of seconds, but yeah, like big size. Normally to pass is faster. Okay, guys, win for today. We did amazing job. Never listen to anyone guy trying to tell you you're wrong. Never listen to him. Congratulations, guys. Today another win on stream. Like three streams in a row. Right here, we're trying to just be a 2-minute inversion. So for Apex, I paid lifetime activation fee. I know I'm not going to blow this like fast. So I still have accounts that starts from 1 to 24 because I blew 4 accounts. So amazing performance today. Absolutely great analysis. Happy with this. Not going to fun stream. Not going to complain about break-even at runner because it was amazing. Perfect magnets right here. I'm going to delete this right now. But still believe you need to take New York Midnight Open. Just question when. Need to wait. What else? What else do I want to say? Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this live stream. We got 2-minute inversion right here, price trying to hold this. That's why I said like makes sense to move stop loss slightly higher because I will not be surprised to see rejection from 2-minute inversion. Equal highs taken, 1 tick away from London high on ES. That will try to play games probably. Where we can drop, maybe it's time to drop to the sell side liquidity level. Will not be surprised. I don't know how people can get like 90% off because I don't have this opportunity to share with you, at least for now. In my humble opinion, draw still higher. Yeah, it stopped me out in profit, but in my, once again, humble opinion, draw still higher. Nothing changed. London high at least on ES, as you can see, we're 1 tick away. Yeah, we were one tick away, which is crazy. We expected this 1 minute. It was 1 minute fair value gap. I'm just on 2-minute chart right now. Yeah, nothing changed. Okay, guys, that's third win on stream in a row. I hope you enjoy this. Full transparency, nothing to hide. How I pass accounts? Not going to. I just pass this exactly. I said trade, for example. Imagine like I want to long somewhere from here. I just will enter with 8 contracts or 5 contracts minus. That's it. You don't need lots of points to pass this. But I have idea, probably it will be nice. When we have CPI, I will do a stream where we will try to pass with 1 trade on CPI. It's going to be like gambling trade. But we will try this. Okay, how connect? I have Replikanto, it's copier, so I can copy across all my accounts. But when we have CPI, it's going to be April 15 or 16. I don't remember for sure. Yeah, I will do a stream just to try to pass this with 1 trade exactly at news. It's going to be funny, but we'll try. It depends. It depends on Replikanto. You can copy just 1 rhythmic connection and as many as you want trader weight connections. Let's say you got trader weight for with 1 prop firm, trader weight with another prop firm, trader weight with another prop firm again, and you got Apex rhythmic connection. This means you can connect only one rhythmic connection, which will be Apex. You cannot get more rhythmic connection with different prop firms, but you can get as many as you want with trader weight. This means you can connect trader weight with like 5 trader weight connection with different prop firms and only 1 rhythmic connection. So it's up to you. With Epix, I have rhythmic connection right now because I had problem with TradeView before last year. So I switched trading rhythmic. Happy with this, no complaints about this. So one rhythmic connection, yes. For example, it's up to you. Some people love TradeView, lots of people love TradeView, but I had problem with this. Maybe they fix this. I don't know. I don't trade Epix 20 Epix accounts with TradeView anymore. I cannot check. But my problem was I had like ghost orders that like appeared from nowhere, and I was like, that's strange. I switched trading like rhythmic. Never had this problem since then. So it's up to you. Still has this problem. See, so not great. Doesn't sound well. So it's up to you. You can try with TradeView. You can try with rhythmic. Okay, guys, don't forget to subscribe because we are going to have more giveaways. Maybe this week because I'm going to give away a TradingView account this week. And what else? Don't forget to get some Epix accounts because of perfect deal that ends today. Not sure if they're going to extend this, so yes, I did pause this again. You full pause this? See, like when it goes in your favor, when you're trying to full pause this 15K LP account, maybe like not best for your PA because you need to like earn more after this. But it's so nice when, for example, you're trying to like full port and it goes in your favor. I never was in this situation, but I saw the situation, and that was funny and nice. I did not have the problem that it's trying to reverse my orders, but for example, let's say I close my trade. Yeah, consistency rule. Yeah. I remember like last time when I said like I'm going to stop working with TradeView, it was like I closed the trade. I saw like my chart is empty, like nothing is going on, but then it opened the trade again. I was like, I was trying to close this. I wasn't able to close this. I was like, that's amazing. Then somehow I close this, and when I open this chart again, like connect it again, it opens the trade again. I was like, Today was last day when I was trying to trade with TradeView. Enough for me. Enough for me. So yeah, it was funny. Not funny. Right now maybe it's funny, but that day it wasn't. Let's see how it's going to go to New York Midnight Open after my break-even. Not break-even, I stop in profit. Yes, hit London high. I told you. Now the question if may hit New York Midnight Open. But absolutely in love with delivery on ES. But not going to like overall, like ignoring these ugly games right here. Overall was obvious. Only disappointed with one thing right here that, which is funny, right? I really want to see the tracement of this blue line right here with this move down. Never happened. But what happened right here? We just did trace to this level. Like it was screaming, Dasha, enter right here. And it did not. But I entered a bit late. It was late entry, like 50 points later, maybe even more. But analysis was on point. Like not always I have that perfect analysis on Monday. Come on, go to New York Midnight Open. I'm not going to be disappointed anymore. I'm going to disconnect everything right now. Disconnect accounts. Yeah, like when we have no news, it's Monday. Pretty much solid move down this night. Today we did well, so I'm not going to argue about this. See, if you just did not stop in profit as I did, you still can hold to New York midnight open. Amazing. Amazing. It was amazing trade at any means, so. Okay, guys, if no more questions, I will see you tomorrow. See how perfect this is? Can we go to London? Probably, but no trade. No, this afternoon I'm going to enjoy my day. Probably. If you guys were in this trade, I highly recommend to consider this as target. New York midnight open. Look at the ES. ES slowly going to previous week low level, where we reversed exactly from 2 standard deviation. Maybe we will go to London high in Q, but once again, it's up to you if you want to hold this. If you don't want to hold this, you can close at New York midnight open. It's not financial advice. It's just a friendly recommendation. That's it. I will see you guys tomorrow. Once again, so happy with performance, with analysis today. It was really on point today. 9 AM high? Okay. Okay, guys, I will see you everyone tomorrow. If any questions, but not stupid questions, you can ask me on Twitter or Instagram. I'm not going to reply what is fair value gap, because I got a message recently, what is ICT? I was like, seriously? What is ICT? Seriously? But, okay. Yeah, guys. Have a perfect day. Thank you guys for joining. See you tomorrow. Don't forget about sale on Apex. Bye, guys.